we are given this equation, and it says that this above equation shows how temperature F measured in degrees Fahrenheit. So F for Fahrenheit relates to temperature C measured in Celsius, and C is for Celsius. Now we are used to seeing X and Y. So if I replace C by Y and F by X, then I can see that it's a straight line. It's a linear equation with slope 5 over 9. If I distribute this 5 over 9, then I get y equals mx plus b form. But right now, let me just capture the information about slope. So slope of this equation is 5 over 9. Now you might know what the definition of slope is and the formulas for slope, but this is the idea that's going to be most useful for this problem. So slope of a line represents the change in y whenever x increases by 1. So this is what we want to think. Slope is rise over run. If x increases by 1, that means your new denominator is 1, which means slope happens to be rise over 1, which is just rise. And rise is nothing but change in y. So what is slope? Slope is the change in y whenever x increases by 1. So in this example, if x, what is x? X is f. So if f increases by 1, then the y is c. C is going to go up by the slope, which is 5 over 9. And for linear functions, we can multiply both sides by the same number because these are the changes. The change in y is proportional to the change in x, which means if I want, I can multiply both of these by 9 over 5, and 1 times 9 over 5 is just 9 over 5, and I chose 9 over 5 because it's the reciprocal of c. So c would go up by 1. So just multiplying both of them by 9 over 5. And we could do that because the changes are always proportional. So let's see the choices here. Based on the equation, which of the following must be true? A temperature increase of 1 degrees Fahrenheit is equivalent to a temperature increase of 5 over 9 degrees Celsius. We saw that. If F goes up 1, then C goes up 5 over 9. So this is true. What about a temperature increase of 1 degree Celsius? So now I'm thinking here, and actually these are equivalent. They can go in both directions. So if C goes up by 1, then it's equivalent to a temperature increase of, we know it's 9 over 5, but 9 over 5 is the same as 1.8. So this is also true. Now, is that true? A temperature increase of 5 over 9 degrees Fahrenheit. So if I take F to go up by 5 over 9, which means I am multiplying this by 5 over 9. So I have to multiply here also by 5 over 9. So C would go up by 5 over 9 times 5 over 9, which is not equal to 1. So this is wrong. So the correct answer is choice D, 1 and 2 only.